6 feet with occasional seas to 7 feet. Showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Friday night, southwest winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas to 9 feet. A chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Saturday, west winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas to 9 feet. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. Gulf Stream hazards, south-southeast winds 25 to 35 knots, with gusts up to 45 knots. Seas building to 8 to 12 feet. The approximate location of the west wall of the Gulf Stream based on the real-time ocean forecast system as of Sunday, January 7th. 46 nautical miles east of Ponce Inlet. 35 nautical miles east of Port Canaveral. 28 nautical miles east of Sebastian Inlet. 21 nautical miles east of Fort Pierce Inlet. 13 nautical miles east of St. Lucie Inlet. Here is the tide information. Daytona Beach shores, Sunglow Pier. Low tide Tuesday at 12:20 p.m. High tide Tuesday at 6:09 p.m. Low tide Wednesday at 12:14 a.m. High tide Wednesday at 6:47 a.m. Port Canaveral. Low tide Tuesday at 12:05 p.m. High tide Tuesday at 5:49 p.m. Low tide Tuesday at 11:49 p.m. High tide Wednesday at 6:31 a.m. Sebastian Inlet Bridge. Low tide Tuesday at 12:01 p.m. High tide Tuesday at 5:59 p.m. Low tide Wednesday at 12:18 a.m. High tide Wednesday at 6:50 a.m. Fort Pierce Inlet, South Jetty. Low tide Tuesday at 12:07 p.m. High tide Tuesday at 6:16 p.m. Low tide Wednesday at 12:24 a.m. High tide Wednesday at 7:07 a.m. High surf advisory. Tornado watch for the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake, Orange, Seminole and Volusia, and coastal waters from Flagler Beach to the Volusia-Brevard County line out to 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 6, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake, Orange, Seminole and Volusia, and coastal waters from Flagler Beach to the Volusia-Brevard County line out to 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial and public radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. High surf advisory for the following counties.